GSTR-3B auto-populated liability locking, effective from tax period July 2025. Until June 2025 tax period, the SSC will first furnish its GSTR-1 or if statement. Thereupon, the liability of outward supply get auto-populated in GSTR-3B. But before filing the GSTR-3B, the SSC will be able to modify those columns or liabilities. Thereafter, he will furnish his GSTR-3B. But under the new system, effective from July 2025 tax period onwards, if there are any errors in GSTR1 or if statement which have been furnished by the SSC, the amendments has to be made by him by filing GSTR1A. Now, these amended fields get auto-populated in GSTR3B, then the SSC has to furnish his GSTR3B. From July 2025 onwards, what will happen is these auto-populated liability fields become non-editable, means they can't be edited. If there are any changes that are required to be made in these output liabilities, what the SSC has to do is he has to furnish an amendment return in GSTR 1A and he has to make the corrections. Thereafter, the corrected data gets auto populated in GSTR 3B. Then he has to furnish his GSTR 3B. This amendment GSTR 1A is to be furnished within the time by which the SSC furnishes his GSTR 3B, means he has to file GSTR 1A, thereafter the values get corrected in 3B and then he has to file GSTR 3B. If he has identified the mistake after filing the GSTR 3B for that month, then what he has to do is he has to make the necessary corrections in the next month's GSTR 1. Now, what are the benefits which the SSC will get by auto locking these output liabilities? The first benefit is that it will minimize the human errors and also it will ensure that there is a consistent data between various GST forms that have been furnished, and also it will improve compliance accuracy and also reduces reconciliation issues at a later point of time. Now, what the SSCs have to do? The SSCs have to first review their GSTR1 filing processes, and also they have to train their staff and accountants as to how an amendment in GSTR1A has to be made, and also ensure that before filing GSTR3B, once again a check of outward liabilities have been made, and also they have to update their internal compliance calendars. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.